This is Algebra 1, Lesson 1 on graphing inequalities. We've studied how to solve inequalities. Now let's go ahead and practice graphing them. The first example, we're lucky, it's in y equals mx plus b format. And we know how to graph that. Starting with the b, the y-intercept. So we're going to go on the y-axis to positive 4, put a point, and then we're going to use our m, our slope. Our slope is negative 3, which we know means negative 3 over 1. So starting from the y-intercept, the 4, we're going to go down 3 over 1, put a point, down 3 over 1, put a point, and as best I can, I'm going to sketch in that line. Now, our inequality says it wants all points that are greater than or equal to that line. So we're going to shade above it because we want greater than. If we want to check that, all we have to do is choose a point that's in our shaded region. Let's choose maybe over 2, up 3 right there. If we did it correctly, it should give us a true statement. So I'm choosing the point 2, 3. So in place of y in our inequality, I'm going to put 3 is greater than or equal to negative 3 times our x. I'm going to put 2 there, plus 4. So I get 3 is greater than or equal to negative 6 plus 4. 3 is greater than or equal to negative 2. That's a true statement. Therefore, we shaded in the correct direction. Let's try a less than or equal to. Again, it's in y equals mx plus b format. So we'll start with our y-intercept, negative 5. So on the y-axis, I go to negative 5. Then we're going to use our m, which tells us to rise 3 and then run 5. So up 3 and over 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We're going to sketch that line in. And this time we want it less than or equal to the line. So less than means we're going to shade down. So again, let's go ahead and choose a point on that line in the shaded region and make sure it works. Let's say go over 5 and down 1, 2, 3, 4. How about over 5, down 4? We're going to substitute it in, make sure it gives us a true statement. So in place of y, I'm going to put negative 4 is less than or equal to 3/5 times our x, which is 5, minus 5. Negative 4 is less than or equal to, these 5s are going to cancel out, that's going to give us 3 minus 5. Negative 4 is less than or equal to negative 2. That's a true statement. Therefore, we shaded in the correct direction. I'm going to break this video in 2 parts, and I'll see you soon for part B.